perform your 100%, give your 100%. Yeah, it is always there. Scope of improvement is always there. You can work for your improvement, or you can work for your better job. But it shouldn't be there that yeah, I'm totally disappointed with this job. I don't want to work. Who?
So how are
So
you?
I'm well. How about you?
I'm good too. So how was your day? How did it go?
The day went well. It was as usual, my routine day. It was a full of tasks, and one by one I completed. Yeah, so
Okay.
it
Which
went well.
task?
Task, right now I'm in a government job, and I have to perform so many activities at my workplace. So yeah, I write down all the tasks in the morning hours, and I try to finish all the tasks assigned to me before I pack up from my place.
Okay, okay. So you write tasks that you can do every day in the morning.
Actually, in the morning hours, we are assigned. We are actually assigned few tasks from our seniors, and we need to perform that task. Yeah, and at the end of the day, if you finish that assigned task, then it gives you a certain amount of pleasure to you. That it gives you positive energy that you finish your task in time, and in terms you get that positivity that you can carry at your home. That satisfaction is that with you.
Okay, okay.
Work.
Yeah, also if you finish your tasks on time or before time, then you have extra time with you.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can go home early if you, I mean, if that's possible for you.
right.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
Actually, in a government job, it is not there that like if you finish your job early, then you can pack up, you can go at your home immediately. It is not like that. You finish, you as soon as you will finish your one assignment, you will be assigned to some other job, and you have to work for that. But it doesn't matter whether you pack up early or late. Yeah, at the end of the day, satisfaction what matters. I should
Okay.
be, I should be, my heart should know that my conscience should know that yeah, today I'm getting this much amount for today's job, today's work. Then I should be justifying it. It should be
Content with
justified.
it. You should be content
Yeah,
and
content.
happy with what you are getting.
Agree. Right. I should be content and happy.
Okay. So you are content and happy, right?
100%.
That's very nice. That's very nice. You know, these days a lot of people uh they are not content with what they're doing. You know, some of them they want to pursue their passion, or some of them wanted to pursue something else, but due to some reasons that might have happened, they had to choose a job which they did not have interest in,
Right.
because
I I
ultimately
I
you have to do something in your life. So not everyone gets the job of their dreams, or not everyone gets the job that they like.
Dhanya, what I think, if there are majority of people who are not actually working for their actually the job they actually like if someone is working for some company, they are, you'll find that majority of the people are not satisfied with that job. But it doesn't mean that if at all you are working for some kind of company or organization, it should be in your roster or duty list, that you will perform your 100%. At the end of the day, you are getting salary. If at all you are
Yes.
not satisfied, you are free to
Okay.
leave that place,
Leave the
isn't
job.
it? Leave the job, yeah. But it should not be like you are actually becoming uh, some kind of uh, what I can say, uh,
That you're not giving your 100%, you're just doing the
100%.
job just for the sake of doing it.
Yes, just for the it. And one more thing I would like to say: if at all you are not satisfied with your current job, then do your give your 100% in that job, but you prepare yourself for some other better job that you like it. But it
Yeah,
shouldn't be
quite
like,
right.
yeah, it shouldn't be like, yeah, I'm working for some company or some organization, but I'm not satisfied. It is not good. I hate this job. It should not be there.
Definitely,
No
you
one is
are right.
forcing you. No one is forcing you to perform your this or join that company, or it's up to you. Whether at all you are not liking that job, then you are always free to move.
Yeah, exactly. If you are, even I think that if you are doing a particular job, be it of your choice, be it not of your choice, you should give your 100% because ultimately you are working in that company and you are being paid. So
100%. One more thing I would like to add here: the person who are not happy with their current job and they are still working in that particular company, they will generate that amount of negative energy that you can't actually imagine
yeah,
at their
exactly.
workplace, and at their home at the same time, because that negative energy they carry from their workplace and to their home, because
Yeah, yeah,
whole
exactly,
day
exactly.
up to at least 8 to 10 hours or 12 hours you are spending your time where, in that place where you are actually not liking that place. There you are actually spending your more than 10 to 12 hours. Then how
Exactly.
you can be that much positive at your home, home, because that negative energy you will carry to your home, and you will start fighting to your parents or your wife or children. Yeah. So I think my agenda is perform your 100%, give your 100%. Yeah, it is always there. Scope of improvement is always there. You can work for your improvement, or you can work for your better job, but it shouldn't be there that yeah, I'm totally disappointed with this job, I don't want to work. Who is forcing you to work? Yeah, ultimately it's
Exactly.
your requirement. It's your requirement. You are working for
In
some
need of the
company, then
in that
it's
job, in
yeah,
need
it's
of
your
that
need.
job.
Yeah, no one is forcing you, but you'll find 80% of the people worldwide, they all are
In this
indulged into it.
category.
Yeah, in this category only. Yeah,
Yeah, exactly. That actually happens. Most of the people are not content or happy with what they're doing in their lives.
agreed. I'm totally equal with you.
Okay, okay.